Okay, hello. This is Rani Ahmed with you. This is lesson 8 in programming using the language Objective-C and using the operating system Macintosh OS X as the corresponding platform. So in this lesson we're going to talk about how to use the function scanf and how to publish our work and distribute our work as a separate program, and also how to use the command line to compile our application, okay, to turn our code into a working program. Now first I will have to just put this here. Okay, now we are used all the time since up to last lesson. We're used to use, for example, just the setting the variable as in this line, like setting I to 3, okay, or whatever number you want, okay, whatever value you want, okay. Of course, according to the type over here, okay. But I mean, I or any variable up to last lesson. We used to just set it within the code. Now this time I want to be able to set it from outside the code, okay, because using the code means that I will have every time to edit and locate the variable in concern. So for example, my program will use I, okay, on factorial or whatever function it is, and then I can print and get the value of the factorial. However, this is annoying, of course, because locating the variable in a long code, even this simple code, okay, is so annoying. So what should I do? I must use the function named scanf. Okay? Scanf is the function responsible to read the user input from the keyboard on the command line or on the terminal. Now, after googling the internet, okay, and looking for scanf, okay, let's go here. So there's a website named c++.com. Okay, this website contains the reference for C and C++ because both are almost the same language, okay. They use the same syntax, by the way. It's mostly the same handles, okay. So using this reference, you will find the whole syntax of and whole definition of scanf, okay, and there are examples below. But with respect to us and this lesson, all we need to know is how to use scanf the simplest way. So scanf and printf are they have similarities and differences in a way that scanf is like the opposite of printf. Printf is like outputs things, scanf reads things, okay. But they are similar in one thing, that scanf here reads the format of the data, okay, that's input, while printf here prints out the data that you want. But they share the same percent whatever here, the percent I for integer, percent f for floats, percent c for character, percent s for string, okay. So you have to use the corresponding percent, okay, percent this one, okay, percent I, percent f, or whatever, okay. So you can correctly read that variable, okay. And of course you must first define the variable, and it doesn't have to take a value, okay, because first if you set a value first time, okay, next time scanf will change it, okay. And yes, so in scanf I must use the ampersand, which is the character typed after press shift and the number 7, okay. that's on the width of the keyboard, so on the top, at the top I mean. So this is ampersand, and you set beside it the variable in concern, okay, and this way you can read one variable, okay. So I need just to run this application, I need to compile it. Well, compiling it using Xcode as is with the scanf existing, it won't really make you feel that it was really compiled. So what should I do is that I should publish the program first. So I go to product and archive, and then I press distribute, okay, then save build products, and then save it to the place that I want. Now I've already have had one. It doesn't take that long, it's just like a simple click, but we don't want to bloat my hard disk with things. So I go through Finder, and I have saved it in documents, and then my new project, and then go to USR, okay, local, and bin, and this is my new project, and I press double click, and here's my application, and I just set the size of my factorial, so it's like if I set 9, you'll get this number, okay, and that's it. This is a test. Cool. Now now this is how we can use scanf, okay, and it's better that you always put some string just to define what should be read, okay, what's supposed to be read, like this one. And yes, so next is we want to know how can we compile our application using the terminal. Now first I need to tell you the location of the terminal if you don't know. So this is the Xcode, okay. Now I go through Finder, and then go to Applications, and then go to Utilities, and you must find the terminal. That if I haven't told you that, and it's better that you drag it to here, okay, to the dock. Now because you will need it anyway, okay. I'll close this. So I open my terminal. Now I expect that you really know how to use the shell commands, but I will just give a hint about them. Now first of all, if you type cd, now this is my current directory, pwd, okay. If you type cd, you will go back to your home directory always, okay. So if I type again pwd, this is your home directory. Every user, my current user is Oracle, and I have a folder in the name of my user named Oracle, and all the users will have similar pattern, okay. The folder name is the name of the username underneath this folder /users, and /users is on the top directory of the drive, okay, and the root directory. Now I must go to download to documents, and here I'm doing ls, so I find my corresponding folder. So I'm going to select this one about 838, okay. So cd my new project, and because there's a space, so you put this backward slash, and this is 8. Press tab to continue the names, and this is another 8 here, and it will go, okay. Now of course you can give this option to know the type of your folders. So I can go /usr and local and bin. Okay, and here is my new project program that we just ran. Now I really don't need this. What I need is just to go to my code and compile it. So cd, okay, to documents, okay, and my new project, and that's it. Now ls, this is also ls minus capital F to show me that which is a folder, which is an executable. If you want to see an executable, it must have an asterisk or a star, you know, an asterisk beside the name of the file. Here now they are folders because they have slashes. So cd my new project, this is where my folder, okay, and this is main.c, and this is the code that I was writing on. This is the file. Okay, so this is the file that I was writing my code on it, and let's view and go to navigators and go my project navigator so I can show you the contents of my folders, and this is my new project. Okay, so I need to compile this application. Okay, I go to, first I must download this tool, so I'll go Xcode, preferences, and then here you have in the downloads, okay, command line tools. You install this and wait from the internet until it gets downloaded. Okay, just keep this open and you can close this. Now what should I have after I install this? I will have two commands. If I type cl plus double tab, you will get clang and clang plus plus. Okay, I want to make sure of my recording. Okay, it's continued. Now, so clang, and I have clang plus plus. Clang means that you are compiling using the C language. Clang plus plus means that you are compiling using C++. Okay, but I'm writing only in C because it is Objective-C, and clang, and I type main.c, which is my program, and then -o just to tell it what's the name of the application. So this is the name of the application, for example. By the way, the .exe is not necessary. Okay, so I press enter and it will be compiled. This is just a warning, an unnecessary one. Warnings are not a big problem to us. Okay, they're not a big problem to us. Program can work smoothly without any troubles. Okay, so type / and you type the name of the executable. Okay, so / means run the executable from its current location. And this is my program. This is 3, you get 6. Here is like 10, you get this number. 100 will break the program down because it will go to 0. There's no such big number in the range ends. Okay, so this is the way to compile your applications from command line. Okay, and I hope you liked my lesson. Please subscribe and your comments. Thanks.